Good morning, class. Now we're going to talk about what is elision and its types. My name is Amanda Benavides and I am your new teacher of English. What is elision and its types? In phonetics and phonology, elision is the omission of a sound, a phoneme. In speech, elision is common and casual. Is common in casual conversation. More specifically, elision may refer to the omission of an unstressed vowel, consonant, or syllable. This omission is often indicated in print by an apostrophe. Examples. An example in the elision of word final T in English, it is processed and followed by a consonant. First, like is often pronounced first like. Many other terms are used to refer to particular cases where sounds are omitted. This information we can find in Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. Some rules or elision. Some rules for elision. First, some of the most common elision cases in English are "ts" and "d" when they appear within a consonant cluster. We arrive the next day. "Ts" elided between "ts" and "d." When we reach Paris, we stop for lunch. "Ts" elided between "d" and "p", and between and "ts". We bought a lovely carved statue. "D" elided between "s" and "st". Complex consonant clusters are simplified. She acts like she owns the place. Acts can be simplified for asked. Teachers use authentic text to teach from. Text can be simplified to text. George, to six strong, six or simplified for scissor. A can disappear in stressed syllables. I think we should call the police. A can disappear in the first syllable of police. I love you forever. Promise. Well, perhaps. M can disappear. It's a question of collective responsibility. A can disappear. Are you coming out tonight? A can disappear. That's interesting. That's an interesting idea. A is not pronounced by many speakers, reducing the number of syllables in the word. Have you got any vegetables? A is not pronounced by most of speakers, reducing the number of syllables. B can disappear enough before consonant. My birthday is in 11th of November. It's a complete waste of time. That's the list of my words. Okay guys, now we're going to repeat these words using elision, and in our next class we are going to memorize and we are going to tell these words for me, okay? And this is a qualification. So guys, you are going to memorize these words, okay? These are some examples. Camera for camera. Do not for don't know. Kind of for kind of. Chocolate for chocolate. Aspirin for aspirin. History for history. Temperature for temperature. Mathematics for mathematics. Family for family. Okay guys, thanks for your time. Let's see next time. Bye bye. See you later.